Thursday, 14:38, 32 seconds, year 2024, 7th month, July, 11th day, 7-11. Here's the saw. Got it plugged in. It functions. Now, okay, so this was added in there. There's inside where it was broke, or it's still broken. All the plastic shards are just missing. Although here's some of the pieces here. But the adjustment's missing to wedge at the bar. And now the saw is it's a little bit curved, but that's how it's supposed to be, probably, or else the bar's bent. See, it leans this way. But it's on there, it's solid, but it just needs reinforcing now, so probably put a piece of wood. Yeah, that would probably get it. Huh. Yeah, it seems like that right there is the bracing where the adjusting screw went and it tapped against. There's some broke there, so probably put a piece of wood in there, and then drill some holes through the bar with the wood, and then, or just drill one hole and put a bolt in. Had to get longer bolts. These ones didn't reach, but I can see this. No, gonna have to get longer bolts again for that one. Got one here, it's fairly long. But put a piece of wood block in there and bolt it, and then drill some holes all the way through this and all the way through on the bottom. Hold it together, and then put a metal strip right here and screw it in somehow. It just had to be a regular screw, but I doubt that would probably hold for long, but there needs to be some type of bracing. Probably a metal strip all the way down. And they could bolt in here. Put a bolt there. And then And then strip it, bring the strip, bring the strip all the way to the back here, and then just bolt it through there. Yep, drill right through there and bolt it right through there. And so that would just be regular metal stripping. There's some hanging on the wall in there. But you know, it's still fairly strong. I mean, it could be stronger. I see. So there's a hole already for it. So cut this down right there. Cut it down right there. And then, or just bend it. Yeah, just leave it there, and then put a piece of block wood in there, and then just bend this around the block wood. Yeah, bend it like an L shape. About there, get it to those holes right there. Just a piece of like a block. Here's a block here. Get a custom piece of block. That's that. At least it's functional for now. You can always reinforce it. It's functional. It's functional for now, and it gives, some security that shall be able to saw some of this wood here. Otherwise, as soon as the next month, there's a saw here that was located on fluffy.com.